if you cannot work without the triangle, use the triangle, but this time with the beveled edge. Because we are using markers. So you have to use the beveled edge. So vendor first decide so that you will know where to terminate. Okay, like that. And then you can work with triangle, or if you can make it, without the triangle, freehand, better. Or it's fine with me. Now, the problem with markers on board is that one stroke is your final stroke. Okay? You cannot do like that. Lumagpas ako. Hindi ko na mapupura yan. Okay? So, kumbaga, you have to be careful because you could hardly do some retouches or retouching. No. Okay, why? The problem with tape, if you put tape on the side, if you remove the tape, remember that you are working with pastel and it's in powder form. So it will, sometimes kasi the tape leaves adhesive on the side. And it will only make your work dirty because the powder will just stick there. Okay? So try to not use and just try to, control. Now, it is better if you have those lines there because that will add to the drainage. That is fine. Okay? Do not worry of the double lines there. Okay, next. The reason why I asked you to buy the 64 or more, because the next thing you will do is you are going to choose a pastel that will relate to this color, exact color or exact shade. So I think, and I believe this is the exact shade. This is actually light terracotta. This is dark terracotta, and this is brick red. Okay? So actually, parehas kong ginagamit yan. So I will use the same shade. So after the marker, we are going to use, the secret is that we are going to use our pastel. Okay? Now, who is like pasmado or who is sweating? Who has sweating? It is always wet. That is the problem. Okay? Because when you burnish, you need to burnish with your finger. Why? Because it sticks more, the powder sticks more to the surface. Unlike if you're going to use tissue, then you go like that. But the pastel will just go here, it will just stick to you. Okay? It has to be your finger and circular motion. Now, if you have sweaty hands, you look for somebody who can do the burnishing motion.
Secretary.
The boyfriend of your whoever. Now, look at how the effect will come out. Okay. Before, without the pastel, it comes out hard. Okay. The texture is so hard. Now, with the pastel actually softens the rendering. Okay. So it softens it. But do not worry about the lagpas or the out-of-bound pastel portion because we are going to erase that. That's why we have our tape. Okay? Now, you may want to experiment. Instead of using the same shade of pastel, you may want something that is dark. Okay? And then, when you burnish, try to see what is the effect. Okay? But it will have a different effect. Okay, after burnishing, we are going to erase. Okay? Now, this one we have this pastel on your finger. That's why I asked you to bring your wet one, because we're going to use this